Welcome to the Crestron stand at the Integrate Expo 2019. I'm Max Davies, the Director of Enterprise and UC for Crestron in ANZ. What I'm doing is I'm standing right now in front of the P-Series Crestron Flex systems and also the M-Series Crestron Flex systems. What these are first-party compatible team solutions for audio only within the meeting environment or within the small huddle spaces. So right now you're looking at the P-Series Teams phone, which is a first-party compatible native Teams phone for audio communication, and then we've also got the M-Series audio-only phone based on the Crestron Mercury solution, which we've had in circulation for a number of years now. These are first-party compatible products with Microsoft Teams and are cloud deployable via our Azure-based cloud deployment platform, which is XIO Cloud. If you'd like to know any more about these solutions, please visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you very much.